This is a very simple lacy pattern. I call it climbing petals. I have two samples made with this pattern. This blue one was done with a size 2 cotton yarn and a 4mm hook. This purple one I made with a size 3 true wool yarn and a 4.5mm hook. You can see that the front of the pattern and the back are the same. This is a 1-row repeat and it is worked in multiples of 5 plus 3 more. Let me show you how easy this is. First, make chains. Next, do the first row, which is the pattern starter. Then, do the second row, which is the repeat row. So you repeat that row over and over. Let's start. Make 5 multiples of 5 chains. That is 5 times 5, so 25 chains, and add 3 more. So you'll have 28 chains. I made 28 chains. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain, do 1 double crochet and chain 2. Now skip 2 chains and in the 3rd chain do 1 single crochet. 1, 2, and in the 3rd do 1 single crochet. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll do 3 unfinished double crochets in the same chain. So yarn over, go into the same chain, yarn over and pull this loop, yarn over and pull through 2. This is 1 unfinished double crochet. We'll do 2 more, yarn over, go back in the same chain, yarn over, pull this loop, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the second one, and 1 more, yarn over, go into this chain, yarn over and pull a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. So now you have 4 loops on the hook, 3 from the unfinished double crochets and 1 from the chains. Now yarn over and pull through all 4. Chain 3. 1, leave this one a little bit loose because in this one we will work a petal in the next row. 2 and 3. Now skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain do another petal. 1 single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, do 3 unfinished double crochets. So this is the first one, yarn over, do another one, yarn over and do another one. You have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 and chain 3. Leave this one a little bit loose. 2, 3. Skip 4 chains and do another petal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th, 1 single crochet, chain 3, now yarn over and do 3 unfinished double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, yarn over, chain 1, leave this a little bit loose, chain 2 and chain 3. So we have 3 chains. Now skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain do another petal. So single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, 3 unfinished double crochets, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1 a little bit loose, chain 2 and 3. At the end of the row you will have 6 chains left. Skip 4 chains, 2, 4. In the 5th chain do 1 double crochet, and in the last chain another double crochet. We finished the first row. Now chain 2 and turn your work. This will be the repeat row. Skip the first stitch that is here at the base of the chains and go into the second stitch that is at the top of the double crochet. Yarn over and do 1 double crochet there. We'll do a petal in this chain 1 at the top of this petal. Start with 1 single crochet in here, chain 3, yarn over and do 3 unfinished double crochets, 1, 2, 3. We have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through all 4, chain 1 a little bit loose, and then the second and the third chain. We skip the petal and go to the next petal. In this first chain at the top of the petal we'll do another petal. So single crochet, chain 3, yarn over and do 3 unfinished double crochets in the same chain. So 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. First chain a little bit loose, then the second and the third. We go to this petal at the top of it in the first chain and do another petal. So we start with 1 single crochet, chain 3, yarn over and do 3 unfinished double crochets. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, the first chain a little bit loose, and then the second and the third. We have one more petal to do in this chain here, so we go in this chain with 1 single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, and do 3 unfinished double crochets. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We got to the end of the row. Do 1 double crochet at the top of this double crochet here, yarn over, and do another double crochet in the top of this side chains. So we look where they are, 1, 2, 3, in this one right here. This is the one. So do another double crochet here. And we finish the second row, which is the repeat row. From here, chain 2, turn, and repeat this second row. This is all you need to know to make this pattern. If you want to make something lacy, like a scarf, a shawl, a cardigan, or a vest, you may want to consider this pattern for it. It's simple, it's easy, and it's very pretty. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.